Hey, this is Mark again. I figured I'd just record this if I'm going to edit for you anyway. So, first thing you want to do is make a rectangle, make it 0.1875 tall, and I'm going to use the original method of the Pathfinder because that is a whole lot faster. Watch this. Just align it there. We'll zoom in a little bit. The depth of it doesn't matter a whole lot because it's just arbitrary. So I'm going to do like that. I'm going to select both the slot and the leg. Well, no, wait. Copy this to my clipboard first. My bad. And then select the leg and the slot. Pathfinder minus front. Done. Go down to the next one. Paste. Get it lined up pretty decent there like that. Again, the depth doesn't really matter because that's arbitrary. Select Pathfinder minus front. Done. And the last one. Paste. Pathfinder minus front as soon as we get it there. Boom. Minus. And we are done because these are identical. And delete that other one. I'm going to copy and paste this one. Flip it over. Put it back where I found it. And we're done. There you go.